Everybody, welcome back again. Mr. Peterson here. Little Programming 2 class tutorial. Continuing along our learning with the Zumo bots. Remember last time we were able to install everything and we were able to turn the LED light on and off. In the grand scheme of things, not a very exciting program, but shows you how our programs were set up and how we connect to the robot, how we upload to it and run the programs. So here we go with our second one. This one we're using the same basis of the LED light. Each of these is for the most part going to kind of build on another. Start with the foundation and kind of use what we used previously to continue our learning with this. But on this one I wanted to show you how we can also use serial output with this. So we got our void set up at the top. That's not going to change much. And then we have our void loop down at the bottom. Void setup is going to run through it once at the start of the program, and then void loop's going to run essentially forever. This is why in programming 1 we always emphasize those while loops so much when we were using Python and that, so you can kind of understand the concept of these loops, how we need to get into the loops, and then have a condition to break us out of the loop. So here we go. We got the void set up. Up here we're using our pin mode just like we did last time. Pin mode LED underscore built in, and we're going to use it as output because the light's going to be turning on and off. And then we also want to use serial begin 9600, which is going to allow our program to print or display information on our computer monitor. So that's the whole void setup there. Pretty easy. For the void loop, we're going to go in with the digital write LED built in high, and if you remember last time, that means that the light is going to be turning on. And then the change we're making to this program is serial.print LED is on. It's going to say that on our computer screen. This is going to hold for 3 seconds, delay 3000. Then we're going to turn the light off, digital write LED built in low, and we want it to say that the LED light is off on our computer screen. So serial.print LED is off using our serial.print from up here, and it's going to hold that program for 1 second or 1000, delay 1000 semicolon. So our program here will have the light turn on for 3 seconds, turn off for 1 second, just like last time, just like our last tutorial. The status of the light will be printed in a window on our screen and will repeat forever. Alright, now the first thing we will want to do before that is up here in the upper right hand corner we have a serial monitor. I'm going to click on that and it's going to open up this little window. Alright, and I'm going to upload my program here, and then I will show you what happens with this. Alright, so here we go. I am on here uploading the program. And you can see on here LED is off, LED is on, LED is off, LED is on. And while, just to try to get both of these on there at the same time so you can see that yellowish orangish light on the robot, and it's going as the serial monitor is updating with that. You'll notice in this part of the code here it's not putting a space in between those, so if that was important to me I should over here put a space after LED is on, but then over here the space would be there and you'll see it keeps going on the same line. But that right there is an example of how we can use our program to print output to a serial monitor. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next tutorial.